Intake manifold is off. Damn, dude. Yo, what's good, my peoples? It's IllRoller16 bringing you guys part 2 of the rebuild of the Turbo MX3. As you guys can see behind me, no engine up in this piece. And we actually have the engine about to go on the engine stand, so I'm about to do that now, and then we'll get to the teardown. So let's go. All right, my people, so motor is on the engine stand. Gonna get ready to start taking it apart. Got the chest mount on. Might looking to get a new fuel rail, because this one, guys, is a custom one I had made a long time ago, but now I see they have the radium fuel rail and some other upgrades, so I'm looking into the radium one. This one I'm having trouble with it sealing. I feel like I have a small vacuum leak with this thing, so that might be an upgrade. Yeah, man. Covered in oil. Let's get this intake manifold off and out of the way. Oh, there it goes. Okay, there it is. Intake manifold is off. So we'll set that over here. Garage start pulleys that we did previously. I don't know if they still make them, but you can find lightweight pulleys for a Miata anywhere. Non-interference engine, so no worries. Taking off this harness. Here's the engine harness, very simple. Okay, let's take off the valve cover. There's an order to taking it off. I think it's 1, 2, 3, and you work your way out and around. Damn, dude, I hard TV'd the shit out of this thing. All right, so now we're gonna pop off the head and see what the damage is anything on the block surface or anything like that. So let me get my stuff. Here it is. Yeah, I'm gonna get the big boy out for this bitch. You have a 1/2" 12? Yeah, well, whatever, I'm just gonna go. Head gasket. Let me get this thing flipped over because I got these bolts going through the pan, and we'll take the oil pan off and see where the party is. So let's go. All right, my people, so rearrange the engine stand to not be on the oil pan. All the bolts are off, so now we can pry this thing off. So let's do this. Look at all that metal. All that is metal. Let's see what the end plate is on. Let me see. Oh shit. Yeah. Check this out. That's a good visual. Yeah. So yep, I'll show you guys all the grooves in the block in a second. So we're gonna take off the caps and show you guys the damage. Is it a 14? Yeah. Damn, dude. That's bad. Just put on the ground. Lucky it's not a Porsche engine.
Yeah, that could be pricey.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
That's unreal.
Yeah. And then look, this is how it's supposed to look. Look, guys. So this is how one's supposed to look. This one hasn't been grooved yet. And this is how the next cylinder over looks. This is a normal main cap. Ridiculous. Let's continue with the breakdown. What's next? Rods, crank pulley.
This is a good learning lesson. I'm glad that you're sharing it with people.
Yeah.
Make sure
make sure you clutch all the small details, man. Devil's in the details. I guess I'll take the pistons out. I'll flip around for the pistons.
You want to zip? It's gonna dump a bunch of oil out.
It's all good. All right. So now we're taking the pistons out. Give you guys a visual. Got one. Here's one. Yeah. Got this one. Was that cylinder 4? outer rods, hopefully they're not junk. Everything else is scrap metal. Barely broken in. Fucking A, dude. All right, my people, so engine is taken apart as you can see. There are the rods. You can tell these things got heated up. Let me just zoom in on this before I kind of close out the video. So here's some of the rod bearings. Here are the rods. You can definitely tell there was some friction, some heat. Started changing colors. Hopefully it's salvageable. No damage on the pistons. If anything, they look damn near new. Not a lot of carbon buildup. No cracks, nothing on the ring lands. Here you can see, I believe this is the main cap, the one that looks normal. This is the main cap that I tried to replace, and it held up. You can see it's not grooved. All the other ones are grooved. Cylinder walls, nothing, not much scoring, pretty much brand new. I mean, the engine was barely broken in, man. It definitely hurts that this happened. This block is junk. It will not be used. I have a block and crank in that big ass Tupperware there. Have a block and crank that I purchased online, used, that I'm gonna take to the machine shop, and then this is gonna be pretty much scrap metal. The block and the crank, and hopefully the rods and pistons and everything else is salvageable. You can see some of the metal shavings over here. Head is fine. BP4W head, like I mentioned earlier. You can already see the metal shavings in there. My buddy Ryan says that he thinks it's that my flywheel was machined wrong. So either way, it was in that clutch assembly. But yeah, this is a mess. I'm gonna clean up, and I will see you guys next video. I'm gonna close out this video here in just a second. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys have any questions or anything.
All right, my people, so that's pretty much it for the teardown of the Turbo MX3. The damage is right about where I expected it to be, pretty catastrophic, but either way, it's no big deal. We're gonna come back bigger and better than ever. We got a new block, we got a new crank. We're gonna take it to the machine shop, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the rebuild and everything, which we're gonna do right here in this garage. I appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate it if you subscribe for future videos and check out the previous videos. Any support is greatly appreciated. This is IllRoller16. I'll see you guys at the rebuild. Salute.